Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Aiden Dave. Today I will be showing you how to make Jamaican chicken tacos that go inside the recipes of the world. And let me know if you have tried tacos before in the comment down below. So come, let's see what all do we need. We'll need some mini tortillas, some sweet corn, and I will be using a lemon instead of vinegar, some fresh and washed baby spinach, and then you can use mayonnaise, but I will be using salad dressing instead, 350 grams of chopped chicken breast, and some jerk seasoning. Now to the baby spinach, I will be adding 1 spoon of sesame oil. I am adding sesame oil instead of olive oil. Any plant-based oil is fine. And then I will also be adding a squeeze of lime and give it a good mix. Now to the salad dressing, I will be adding half tablespoon of jerk seasoning and then give it a good mix. Now I will add some oil to a heated pan. This I will be adding the chicken. And then I will be adding the sweet corn. And half tablespoon of jerk seasoning. Add 1.5 tablespoon of jerk seasoning. And then give it a good mix. I have added at least 2.5 tablespoons of jerk seasoning. Now let the chicken cook 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Just mix the chicken a bit right now, and I'm gonna let it cook for some more time. The chicken is cooked yet not roasted and dry. Now I'm gonna turn the gas off. Now we have to let the tortillas microwave for 10 seconds until it is warm through. Now I will be adding a little bit of the salad dressing to it and spreading it out evenly. And then I will be with the jerk seasoning. This is going to be tasty. Now I will be adding a spoon of the chicken and sweet corn to it. And then I will be adding some of the baby spinach. Good. And now my tacos ready, and it is for tasting time. So now my flavorful tacos are ready, and it is time for tasting. The tacos are filled with flavor, with the sweetness of the salad dressing, and the chicken and the sweet corn and the baby spinaches go together. This is a very flavorful and yummy dish that can be cooked in 20 minutes. So don't forget to try it, like it, and share it.